Mommy, do you need more light?
No, we're good.
Okay. Where do you shake? Just on the bottom?
I just grabbed the side and
Okay.
just started.
Okay.
Earthquake!
Earthquake!
Woo! Shaking, baby! Earthquake! Whoa! Yeah!
See, I'm getting dizzy, Ma.
Ryan, earthquake! Oh, I better make sure this doesn't get into CPS's hands. Earthquake!
Oh, the face is priceless.
Earthquake! He loves it. Earthquake! Oh! Oh, all right, are you hungry? I know you want to do earthquake again?
Now that we've shaken them off. Now we'll feed you.
Now we'll feed you. Woo! Hey, it's better to do this first and not after feeding him, right? Ryan! Whoa!
He got me! He got me! He got me! He got me!
Say hi, Terry.
Oh, that's
Are you
funny.
hungry, buddy?
That was so